Hello my dear children, once again welcome back to your favorite subject mathematics, and today's topic is solid shapes. Okay, so what is the topic children today's? Solid shapes. S-O-L-I-D solid, S-H-A-P-E-S shapes. Solid shapes. Now let us know what is mean by solid. Okay, you can see here what is mean by solid. You can see here a definition: anything that has a shape and takes up space is called solid. Okay, it may be anything so which takes up shapes and takes up a space. Okay, you can see here it takes up a space, we called a solid. So a solid has length, breadth and height. Now let us know what is meant by length, what is meant by breadth and what is meant by height. Now let us know what is meant by length. Okay, L-E-N-G-T-H, length. So a distance between 2 points. Okay, distance between 2 points called a length. L means length. Okay, now what is meant by breadth? Okay, B-R-E-A-D-T-H, breadth. So the distance or measuring from side to side. Okay, a distance or measurement from side to side of something are called what children? Breadth. Okay, so we can write here B, from side to side. Got it? This is what we call breadth. And what is mean by height? So height is nothing but from measurement of a base to top. Measurement of base to top. Got it? This is what we call the height. So a solid has length, breadth and height. Okay. So this topic is an just introduction in the first standard. Okay. So later on you are going to learn more about in a second standard. Okay children. So just you have to know now what are the solid shapes. Now let's move to the first solid shapes, that is a cube. What we call for this children? Cube. C-U-B-E, cube. So a dice shaped object is called a cube. So you can see here a dice. Okay. So a dice shaped object is called a cube. So it has all sides equal. Okay, you can see in the picture. So all the sides are equal and it has 6 equal faces. Okay, so you can count here, this all are 6 equal faces and all the sides are equal. That is what we call cube. C-U-B-E, cube. The next solid shape comes a book. A book is called a cuboid. Okay, the shape of the book is called a cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. It has its opposite sides equal. Got it? Opposite sides are equal in the cuboid. Got it children? Only opposite sides are equal. So it has 6 faces. Got it? So here front, back and this 2 side, 4, 5 up and down 6. So it has 6 faces and only the opposite sides are equal. So which shape it is children? Which solid it is? Cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. The next comes a candle shape. Okay. A candle is a cylindrical in shape. You can see here. What we call for this? Cylindrical shape. C-Y-L-R-N-D-R-I-C-A-L, cylindrical shape. It has 3 faces. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So a cylindrical shape has 3 faces. The next one, an object having both circular and triangular shapes is called a cone. It has 2 faces. You can see here ice cream cone. Got it? So this is what we call a cone children. Okay, C-O-N-E, cone. and an object have both circular and triangular shapes. You can see here a circle also. Got it? So this shape we call a cone, and it has two faces, children. Okay, one is this one and one more is this one. So a cone has two faces. And the last one comes sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. This is the one. A ball-like shape. You can see here a globe. So a ball-like shape is called a sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. So it has only one face. A sphere has only one face. So it has no edges or corners. Got it? So a sphere doesn't have any edges or corner. So it is just like a ball. Got it? So today we have learned in the solid shape, we have learned a cube, C-U-B-E, cube. And the next one, cuboid, C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. And the next one, cylindrical, C-Y-L-I-N-D-R-I-C-A-L, cylindrical. And the next one comes cone and sphere. Okay, S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Okay, so today's homework is you have to read this all. Okay, so you have to read this all the definitions and you have to practice to draw these shapes. Okay, children, you have to practice to draw these shapes. Which are the shapes? Cube, cuboid, cylindrical, cone and sphere. So you need to write the heading of the topic, that is solid shapes. You have to write in your classwork book. After that, write the definition of the solid, and after that write the solid shape name and kindly draw that. Okay, so draw the cube and write the solid shape, and next one you have to draw cuboid, and next cylindrical, and next cone, and next sphere in your classwork book. Okay, so this is your today's homework. So see you in the next class with the exercise, children. Take care and bye bye. Thank you.